Once upon a time, in a magical lake called Aqua Haven, there lived a curious water droplet named Splash. Splash invited his friends Lily the Flower and Max the Young Explorer to join him on an adventure to discover the magical properties of water. First, Splash demonstrated how he could become solid. As the temperature dropped, he transformed into a beautiful ice crystal. Then, as the sun warmed him up, Splash melted back into his liquid form. "Most of the water you see every day is in this liquid state," he said. But watch this. As the sun grew hotter, Splash began to vibrate faster until he transformed into invisible water vapor. "Water is everywhere," Splash continued, "even in your body. Did you know that about 60% of a human body is made of water?" Next, Splash showed them capillary action by climbing up a thin tube without any help. This is how plants drink water from their roots to their leaves. For his final trick, Splash created a thin film across a small loop where a small insect stood without sinking. "This is surface tension." "Remember," Splash said with a smile, "water is precious and magical. It can change forms, climb up plants, create surface tension, and it's even a big part of who you are."